Hey guys, in this video you are going to be seeing how to convert your images into PDF or a single image to a PDF file. So you're going to go where your image is at and you're going to be selecting an image you want. So I'm going to be selecting an image, so you just double tap on it and then it opens in the Pictures app, and we are going to be, you can edit, but we're going to go to the print, and it is this symbol is what you press, and as you can see it's already a Microsoft Print to PDF. So we already, so far so good. So you can adjust as you want. You can change to landscape view. I'm going to leave mine in portrait or you can fill in page or shrink to fit page. You can change the page margins, the photo size. You can change the frame size, paper size, or you can use any of this you want. You can do this according to whatever specifics you want. So also the size, you can change the size. So when you're done with everything, when you feel it's right, you go to print, and as you can see it already brings you to save this as a PDF file. So you're going to choose a name. I'm going to put image PDF and I'm going to save. So my PDF file is already saved, so I'm going to go look for it and show you how it looks like. So I'm going to go to my documents. I think I put it in my documents. I'm going to go to my other documents, and as you can see it's already having a PDF file extension. So you double tap on that, and as you can see it's already a PDF file, and this is how our image looks like. So we are going to go and see how to convert many images into a single PDF file if you want to convert many images. So going back to our pictures, I'm going to be selecting quite a few. So you press shift and the forward arrow, and then you select where you want. So I'm going to select that, and then you right click and you are going to go to print once again. So as you can see the interface is kind of different, but it's all the same thing. So you can change paper size here or the quality. The options are quite limited, and why mine are showing this because they were in portrait form and now they're put into landscape. But if you have the landscape one, it will be upright very well. So when you're done with this, we're going to go to print. So I'm going to go to print. So I click that and cancel this. You print, you press print. As you can see it's printing, and it also brings the same thing. So I'm going to put in images PDF to save my PDF file, and we are good to go. So it's printing while at the same time saving your images in a PDF file. So it takes quite few seconds depending on the images you have. So as mine is getting done, we're going to go back to our documents and see how they look like. So as you can see, images PDF is also a PDF file. So you double tap on that and it brings you to this beautiful PDF file. As you can see, the images are all in here looking amazing. So this is how you turn your images or image to a PDF file easily on your PC without any data spent or going online. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.